In this video, I'm going to show exactly how to start and scale your affiliate marketing business as a newbie, as someone who is just starting out with TikTok ads. So basically in this video, as you can see over here on my screen, right, I'm showing you my Instagram account. You can reach me out after watching this video on my Instagram account, right? I do affiliate marketing full-time for many years. So in this video, you're going to see exactly how I managed to build my TikTok account organically to more than 60,000 followers and over 1.4 million views per one video. So when you're worrying about traffic, right, views, eyeballs, I know that you're watching this video, you're thinking, how can I get views? How can I get people, right? Because at the end of the day, if you want to make money online, what you need audience, right? People who see your ads, who see your landing page, who see your website or blog or your account, right? And they need to have the interest in what you're trying to sell to them. So basically they need the interest in, I don't know, weight loss supplement, make money online, Forex, cryptocurrency, auto insurance, solar panels, real estate, right? They need to have some kind of interest to buy. So let me share with you what just happened on my new launched TikTok channel. As you can see over here, let me go over to here and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and what am I doing, right? So the name of this game is TikTok Big Money. How to make big money and get the traffic with TikTok, right? So what is TikTok? TikTok is just another social media channel like Instagram, Facebook, Google, YouTube, right? All these are platforms, right? So basically they are platforms where you can get eyeballs, people, right, with their eyes watching your content. So the most important game here is attention, right? Who can get attention the most? So in this game it's about TikTok. So let me show you what we are doing, right? So what are the best options on TikTok, right? If you are a newbie watching this video and you're thinking, okay, I want to be ClickBank affiliate or I want to make money online using TikTok, how can I do it? So there are a few ideas, right? The first thing could be unboxing. What is unboxing? For example, I buy a new iPhone 14 Pro Max and I make a TikTok video about iPhone, right? And I do unboxing. Meaning I take the iPhone out of my box, I show it to you on the video, I explain like, oh look, see, new features, new benefits of this iPhone, and below the video I put my affiliate link to Amazon iPhone, for example, right? Just simple, stupid example, right? Another thing would be demos, right? How to use it, right? Lots of people are interested, like, okay, I bought this new washing machine, I don't know how to use it, but someone shows me the video on TikTok about how to use washing machine, right? And in the description below, of course, they will attach affiliate links to Amazon, to Alibaba, right? Doesn't matter, to different products, so they make commissions. Another thing could be step-by-step guides, reverse story, right? Two-person dialogue, pointing at bullets. So those are the best creative ideas, right? They're never shortcuts of ideas, right? You just need to have idea. You need a product. First of all, you don't have to create a product, right? There are people who are smart enough, who have millions of dollars to create their own products, and you can be just the middleman, basically connector, right? Connect people with the problem and pain here, with the solution over here. You connect them, you make money, the owner makes the money, right? Simple, easy. So it's just about understanding the whole game of this business model, which is called affiliate marketing, right? So how can you make the money? Now, before I go into it, I will show in the next slide how much views I'm getting on my own videos, right? And this is just the beginning, right? This is just the beginning phase. I spent zero money on the ads, zero on ads on TikTok. But what are the ad groups that you can do? It's like, for example, 2 to 3 ad groups, maximum, always maximum 2 to 3 ad groups, right? Target audience as a broad, right? Stacked interest, and daily budget promo is 50 times average cost per acquisition, right? and optimize for higher funnel events if you can hit 50 conversions in 7 to 10 days. It means that if you cannot have 50 sales in 7 to 10 days, then you can optimize for higher funnel events. And I'm showing this to my clients and students lately, right? When I begin with this new method. Now, you can see over here one of my videos, right? You can see my face, right? It's me here. 1.4 million views. Now just imagine, you see my iPhone here, right? Let me do a simple math. Let's say that I get 1.4 million views for a weight loss supplement, right? Me unboxing or showing the weight loss supplement in this case, right? For example, let's say that I'm showing this, right? You can do the simple math at home as you're watching this video right now with me, right? Let's say you have 1.4 million views. Let's do it like that. You get only one sale, which is stupid funny, right? It's ridiculously funny and stupid, because with 1.4 million views, believe me, you should get more than one sale. And if you only get 100 euros or $200 for one sale per day or per one video, you are making $6,000 per month. My friend, as you're watching this video, ask yourself what you could do with extra $6,000 to $10,000 per month from TikTok ads or from organic TikTok strategy, right? I don't know what. Maybe you can pay off for your kids' school. Maybe you can pay off your mortgage. Maybe you can pay off your car payments. I don't know. Maybe credit card payments or bills. I'm not sure. But at least get the idea. There are people out there just like me and you watching this video who wants to make money, who want to lose weight, who want to get, I don't know, date, right? Who want to get married, who have problem in the relationships, right? They're about to get divorced, but they don't want to get all the lawyers, divorce attorneys, all the money that have to be spent on getting divorced, right? So they are looking for another solution, right? And you, my friend, watching this video, you come in the place here if you position yourself correctly with your affiliate landing page and the offer, and you can make money online. Just simple as that. But people tend to overcomplicate things, right? They don't understand that this is about psychology of people, the mindset of audiences, what do they want, and giving them exactly what they're asking for. So this is exactly what you need to do. Stop complaining, stop blaming everyone else, and take action now, right? As you can see over here, look, let me show you more. 340,000 views, right? On this video, 335,000 views. On this video alone. How many people think they bought my supplement products over here? Or if I promote, let's say, dating offer, or make money online offer, or cryptocurrency offer, right? Doesn't matter. It's just views. Yes, views. But it matters what is the audience. What is the interest and desire level? You see, if you're watching this video, please let me put this into your heart. Look, you don't need to be professional. You don't need to be Einstein to understand this model, right? But you do need someone to guide you through step by step, and you do need some money, right? Some money on the side and a little bit of time, right? To get started now as you're watching the video and get results, and get someone to help you step by step along the way to get the results, right? If you wait and procrastinate, of course, never anything gonna happen, right? You can procrastinate, ask me 1,000 questions, but you never put the first step forward, you will never get results you want. So that's the most important thing. Do something. Do something, right? You have to do something. You have to take action. So, as you can see here, many eyeballs, right? 250,000 views, 30,000 likes, 300 comments. Of course, people are buying products, my friend. If only 2 people buy a product for $200, you're making $400 per month from one video. And remember, TikTok will save the video. YouTube will save the video. When someone else see it next time, you can still make money passively, right? Maybe 1 month from now, someone gonna see this video, as you can see my face over here, and they're gonna buy 3 products from me, and I make $700. It's that simple. It's just understanding there are audiences of people who are buying products. I don't know, Google, California, Phoenix, Ohio, Arizona, Texas, I don't know, right? Wyoming, Florida, all the countries, all the places. People are always looking for products to buy, right? Like Las Vegas, casinos, right? People are spending millions of dollars every single day. But you have to position yourself, my friend, watching this video. You have to position yourself in the flow of that river, right? When the river is flowing, you don't have to go against the river. You just have to go together with the river in the same flow, position yourself there, and you're gonna make lots of money, right? Lots of affiliate commissions. So that's what I want to put on you. You see here the real life proof. Almost 1 million likes organically, 62,000 followers, right? So you can see everything here on my screen. Now you can select your pixels and you can track everything on TikTok, right? You can put your website. You can even put TikTok pixel. What is pixel? It means they follow you. They will track every cell. For example, TikTok, you put the ads on TikTok, right? So TikTok will show you from which country someone bought your products. Let's say the female she's 35 years old, living in Florida, just bought my weight loss supplement, right, in Europe. And I can see that. I can see why, because TikTok will track everything from me if of course I set it up correctly. So that's the most important thing. You need someone to guide you through step by step and give you the knowledge, the skill set, and the idea of how it's perfectly done step by step, right? So what you can do next? After watching this video, I'm sure you have many questions. I know that you are like me, thinking like, oh, is this true? Can this work for me? Can I make money online? Is TikTok the best answer for me? I know you have this kind of the questions, right, from me. So yes, after watching this video, please click the link below. You can reach me out on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, every single link below this video. Just click there if you're serious. Of course, if you don't have at least $500 or $1,000 to begin, please do not send me any message, because I want to work with someone who is serious, who wants serious results, that is manageable, right? Not get rich quick, but manageable results, sustainable results, passive income online. So again, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Just subscribe to my channel and smash the like button below so we can send this video out to as many people as possible.